Okay, let's look at masks. Masks are extremely important in Photoshop. Here we can see we have two layers. We have a background layer, which actually is a kind of forest. We then have on top of that a horse layer. And what we're going to do is we're going to see how to remove parts of the top layer to allow the bottom layer to be revealed. Now we could use the rubber and click on our horse. We'll have to rasterize this first, so we could click on our rubber, we could make that nice and big, and then we can start to get rid of areas like this. The only problem is if we go too far or we want to bring things back, we can't, because we've actually deleted them. So what we will do is we will use a mask. So I'll rasterize this layer and I'll click the mask tool. B black here, get the brush, B for brush, get the black. Because the mask is white, that means it is revealed. We can see everything. Black will conceal things. So here we go, I'll just paint this on. Now notice my brush is very hard. I'm going to make it nice and soft. I can rub away. And let's say I come around here and I kind of go a little bit too far. Easy. White will reveal, so I will click the little thing and bring it back. Just paint over the top. Black will conceal, white will reveal. And quite simply, I've got so much more control now because I can zoom in. I can reduce the size of my brush. I can go into here, I can paint things out, and that's going to give us a lot of freedom and a lot of options later on. So a mask quite simply is a application on top of a layer which allows us to hide parts of the layer or reveal parts of the layer, but it doesn't actually ever delete the layer parts permanently. It just hides them. Like a mask hides a face, the layer mask will hide things that are on the layer, and anything underneath will begin to show. Okay, so it's quite a cool tool, and this is the mask that we've just made. You can see my brush strokes, and there we go. That's layer masking.